Okay, let's come back to see. At first, we need to log in the cloud. Okay, and this is our OEM account, and you can see this is the whole situations of the device, and you can see the usage time period and the location all over the world. Okay, and the first part is about the account management. This is based on the OEM account. In the next level, you can to create the school account like this. We can add the user based on your OEM account and create and set the password and then submit. And you can see this is the school account. And the next level, based on the school account, we can add the teacher's account. Okay, and you can see this is the school account and sets the name for the teachers the same way as the school account word, and then submit. Okay, this is the account. So then we can change to the teacher's account. Under the teacher's account, also can set the students. And the next is for the resource, the teaching resources. You can see this is the files.
DMs, subject resource upload, detailed operation. Login to the teacher's client. Add Courseware. Waiting for the task upload to complete. This is where you upload the courseware for the entire process.
Okay, after we upload the files and the courseware and design for the teaching resources in the cloud, and we integrate the Weibo software. You can see here is the toolkit button, and you can easy to get the all courseware in this place with the different grade and also different subject like this. And also this content can follow your teacher's account. This is the demo in our company, and now I can log in my teacher's account in before I create the new teacher's account in the cloud. Okay, and now I log in. And this is the content I upload in the cloud, and just show the same content. That means when the teachers come to the class, they don't need to carry the laptop to show something. And here is to change the account. Okay, and the next is for the 3D subject. This is the same content and way to upload in the cloud.
Operation demonstration. How to upload courseware. Choose the subject you want. Fill in the correct class number. Add courseware. Fill in the form according to the steps required. Set course name. Add course files and materials.
cloud, like the subject management in this place. Just the content is changed to the 3D resources. And the next is for the PHET. You can preview the one. This part is for the simulations of the experiment, can easy to get some dynamic and help the students to easy to understand the dynamic process. Okay, and this is the periodic table. When you click one element and can get some details. These all resources parts we integrate the Weibo software. So in this place we can also get the same content. Okay, and the same content in the Weibo software you can find in this place. Like the first one is for the PHET. Okay, with the same content you get in the. Okay, and the next is for the 3D. 3D is before I upload in the cloud. Okay, next is the periodic table. Okay, and the next we still have another resources. This one is different with the first one. The second one is like the electronic library. Like this is our account, and we want to present this function. So we already upload some files like the product specifications. This one is like a folder in your laptop, and now I can show you one as an example to upload 3D resources. Okay, here is another resource we can find in this place in the Weibo software, and this is the different subject and for the files like product specifications. And before I upload 3D resources in this place, so let's come to see. Okay, let's come to the last function. This is the new function we do recently. This is the AI gene. That means you can see here has the configurations. You can say it's like the subject. I want to set the English and the grade and the page count. Let's come to file. Okay, and include video and image. And then I can type some words. Okay, and then the AI will generate the whole outline for the lessons. And we come together with the video and some pictures. Okay, and then you can see this is the learner's objectives and some review and introductions about the human heart. And after that, this one will generate another files in the resource. In the Weibo software, you can find the same content. Okay, you can find the same content in this place, the AI cloud, and find the lessons. All of this is the lessons plan we do that before, like this. You can see the same content. Okay, the last part is about the cloud management. As we know, when some clients get more painters, or in the school has so many different painters with the different models. So how the schools do management the device and send some message like this one. We can check the MAC address and search in this place. You can copy the number, and then you can get the device control like lock, unlock, child lock, screenshot, and real-time monitoring. And also the message and alignment. Okay, and now I try to show one for the message. And also this part not only to support the text, also you can send the pictures and others. Now we try to submit. Okay, already success, and this panel received the notifications. So when it's like, for example, when the teachers need to release the homework in maybe grade 1, and for the math homework, the classroom or the class or the students can receive the same content. Okay, and then the next step is not only for the one device, also if like the grade 1 with so many classrooms, you need to make a group and send the same content. We can make a group with the different device, and also can support the message group. Okay, like this. The same cooperation like before we send the message in this place. Okay, and the next part is about the firmware management. If your panel need to update the firmware, all of this version we put in the cloud, and we can do it by OTA. Okay, the next one is about the App Store, the app management. Maybe some clients, you can see all of this is the apps from Riotouch, and also if you have some special apps, you can put the resource in this cloud, and then all of your panel can get the same software, but others can't to download the apps. This one is only the apps you upload to the cloud. We are only showing in your app store on your panel. Okay, this is about the management.